Ramsey from AST here. I don't usually do one of these unboxing videos, but one of my sponsors, Charlie Moua, actually sent me a valve cover, and this would be for the Pikes Peak build and subsequent seasons in whatever series we choose to run it in. And that's what we're going to look at today. It's very exciting if you even just look at the description on the box. It says B18C Moua NSX Orange plus fitting. Okay, so we're just going to take our trusty cutters here and open it up. Cut it down the center, and this is my first time doing this completely unedited because I don't have time for editing, and I should do the other side too. I'm trying to do this while holding a camera in one hand, but there. Hopefully that wasn't too bad. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Look at that packing job. I love this like stencil cut foam thing going on here. Not sure if that's every time or just what he had. I like the foam paper packaging. It's packed pretty well. Comes with a foam outer layer. And then, foam underneath it. So I'm just going to pull back this taped cover here, and I can already tell it's awesome quality. Wow. Let's see here. Let's unwrap it again. This thing looks awesome. Holy crap. All right. Let me set this down. We're going to move some of this, and I'm just going to put it on my kitchen table for myself and my wife to look at in the morning over breakfast, because it's that awesome. Holy cow. Look at the detail on this. This is going to bring some love back into the engine bay of my car. And it's got the bones for the breathers and everything. This finish is awesome. I mean, it's a gloss flake, and it's got some fingerprints all over it. And then if we look at the underside again, it looks like it's been cleaned with an acid or maybe a baking soda blast. Looks very high quality. Even the inner guides here for the gasket are all painted, and they look really well done. And stenciled spark plug gasket holes and everything. I'm super excited to put this on the car. We have a company car show coming up, and I hope to have my car ready for that with the new interior paint and possibly even a suspension setup, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm glad we could all go through that together. Hopefully I'll see some of you in April at the NASA Mid-Atlantic event. Otherwise, I'll see some of you at the Dragon, Pikes Peak, not competing this year though, and then NS Expo at Thunder Hill. So stay tuned for what it looks like mounted to the car, and can do a little comparison of what the old one looked like and what the new one looks like. So thanks for watching, and keep in mind we got all kinds of specialty tools up for rent for whatever job you're working on for your car. So save some cash and support the hobbyist HPDE and mechanic scene. All right, take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.